is called grandma. She didn't want to call me a grandma, but she said, Kim, this is like grandma looking.
No offense.
No, I said, I don't think it's ugly because I cover mine. Don't worry. Even though I'm a grandmother, I don't want to have gray in my hair either. And then put her. So what I really want to do, okay, is go here first. Get this brown. We're going to do like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now this is important. I'm going to take the opposite pieces because then it's really going to give her definition. So I did a brown one here, 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 and here. Now I'm going to take the one that's left. Here, 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 and here. You know how beautiful that'll go right together with the other one? And this is 40 because her hair is stubborn. I'm going to go a little less. Go with the hairline. Go down. 1, 2, 3. She put you. then I'm gonna do one other thing right here. So we got 2 slices and a weave. That's gonna soften this piece, so this will go with that. Okay, because we got this round one, but this will be a nice dimension that will match these two. I'm already thinking of those two. Okay, so when I'm doing this front, you always gotta take consideration, what did you just do to those 2 sides? Mimic it, match it. But now her money piece is gonna go here. And then right here, I want it to blend. I don't want it to be a stripe. When we do a slice with no weave behind it, it becomes a stripe. Which sometimes you want a bold piece, but then when it goes into the next piece, you don't want a stripe. Because I want you, this is gonna be super important for you. 1, 2, 3, and or you could get the comb. You know which comb I'm talking about. And just comb that so you can get any of the little blonde pieces out of there. Even just take a piece like this and you go here, but then the only thing is, like, when she flips it other ways, which she's not perfectly shaved, but if somebody does their hair in the middle all the time, then you could literally just take the ones that are here. You see them? If you wanted to. That's a shortcut. You could do 2 on each side, but I'm going to go this way because she flips her hair back and forth. Now I'm going to try to follow the pattern that I have in there. Okay, so I went like a little chunky. I'm just going to do a little one here, right here. I do want to do one on this side too, the same, even though it's not there, because I want this to kind of be somewhat even, because it's going to go on both sides. This one's going to go that way. Good. Now I'm going to do like a softer one this way. I already did 13 with these, and then this. So, but I want to at least see your whole part, and I want to do your underneath. Okay, I made that like a little baby light now, bro. That would be like the coin, similar. I never like do the same exact pattern. It's so nice because you want to make it natural, like a little kid's top of his hair. If a kid is out in the sun highlights it so natural and beautiful. And that's because it's not a systematic system. That's going to break up the systematic pattern. I mean, it's still good to somewhat try to have a pattern somewhat, you know, like, now look at this one really has been a low light, so I don't want to like disrupt that. So I'm gonna go here. Like you're looking, see how much more blonde this one is than the last one? So just pick it out as much as you can. Okay, here's the slice. Now this will be a thicker part of those pieces because this piece will go here, this piece will go here, this and here. It covers a lot more of the back. And just so you know, when you guys do them, you pull that through so then. Now look at my hand, fingers here, holding it down. This hair is taut. Like it is very tight in my hand. And now I'm going to use this like as a palette. And I'm getting as close as I can to there. Make sure you saturate that. Look at right here, I see it. Okay, now this one blonde. Pick it up and look at this hairline. Whoa. Whoa.
Why? What?
Honey, you got like a, it's like, you know, it's not easy to highlight because it's like a little W. See the W?
A W peak.
Yeah, W peak. You almost want to like feather that in.
My brother had that kind of.
He does? All right, girls, we got perfection here. It's going to be great. It's going to be really awesome. Here we go. So here we go. Here's our head.
Here it is. Face.
Give it a
It's the sides.